How to set up room type and add room number to each room type in Softinn PMS, for existing Softinn BE merchant. Hello Softinn PMS and BE users. As a existing Softinn BE users, you can save your hassle in setting up the room type again in Softinn PMS. This information will be automatically synced from Softinn BE to Softinn PMS. Let's check out this video, to find out how to set up room type and add a number of rooms in Softinn PMS. Log in to Softinn PMS. Select the correct property. To go to the room type page, click Others, then Setup. Then, click Room and click on Room Type and Number. This is the room type page. System will help to add and name the room type according to the room type that you allocated to Softinn BE. Click on eye icon to view the details of the respective room type. Then, you can click on pencil icon to edit the room type details. And then key in the reference code for the room type. Then, you can update the other information, if needed. And then click on the Save Changes button. After that, you can start to set up the room numbers for each room type. You can choose which room type you want to set up the room numbers. Then, click on the Setup for Me button and the system will help to automatically add the rooms based on the number of built units. You can click on the pencil icon to update the room number information, for example, the room number, name, and key in the floor, wing, and tower for the respective room. You also can add the tag for room 2. Then, click on Save Changes button once done. Repeat the same process for other rooms. You also can add a new room type by clicking the Add Room Type button. Fill in all the information for the room type. Then, click on the Save Changes button. If your hotel has done the renovation or restructuring, which needs a change in the room type that you are selling, you can set inactive for rooms that you no longer use before adding the new room types. So that, the active built unit will not be more than the subscribed plan. If you want to update the units more than the plan that you subscribe to, you are not allowed to do so. You reach out to Softinn account manager to upgrade to the higher plan. Once you have added the new room type on Softinn PMS, make sure you update the max packs on Softinn Extranet too. Click on your email address on the top right corner. Click Go to Extranet. Click on More. Then, select Manage Room. You will find the new room type added on Softinn PMS is auto-created on Softinn Extranet. Click on the Edit button. Update the max adult and max children accordingly. By default, the max packs you set on PMS will be set as max adult on Softinn Extranet. If you wish to further restrict the number of children, you will need to limit the maximum number of guests. To know more about the BE Max Guest setting, you can check out the video guide on where to set max guest setting for your booking engine in Softinn Extranet. Let's start to set up the room type and add room numbers now in Softinn PMS.
Thanks for watching. I'm Abdul Ashraf, a junior developer from the product department. I help the team with maintaining and developing new features of Softinn. If you find the video useful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you again. Bye.